Well, Geneva is definitely about higher-end cars. We see a lot of supercars making their debuts here, cars in the $200,000, $300,000 price range, cars with hundreds and hundreds of horsepower, high speed, exotic materials, a lot of performance. That's really a lot of what Geneva is about. You see some of those beautiful cars here on display. But we will be seeing some more attainable cars too. We're seeing some new SUVs being displayed here as well, and some new technologies as well that may make cars more efficient and more economical in the future too. So it will be a nice blend of technologies we'll see here at the show this year.
Well, two things to look at the Geneva Motor Show this year are the appearance of high-end specialty-built cars like the Ferrari 812 Superfast. This is a show that normally appeals to high net worth individuals. So you'll see a lot of these very special high-performance cars here. McLaren's going to have an all-new car replacing the 650S, and Porsche is going to do an update of the 911 GT3. And they're also showing sort of a station wagon version of the Panamera, which is all new for them.
Right, so General Motors has just confirmed that they're selling their European brands to PSA, to the Peugeot Group, which is a pretty major development for General Motors, as they try to strive toward more profitability. Those brands have always been money losers for them, effectively. They haven't really been able to capitalize on the European market. So ultimately, it gives Peugeot a big boost in the European market, a lot of new brands, a lot of new cars they can build upon, and a lot of new technologies as well. So it'll be an interesting development to see how that works. I think right now in the short term, it's a lot of cash for GM, which is great, and kind of losing some of the brands that have been losing them money. The implications for Peugeot, that remains to be seen, but definitely it's a huge development right now, and with all the changes going on in the geopolitical nature, exactly what that's going to shake out to be, a little too early to tell. We'll see.
Volkswagen scandal seems to be fading from the picture, and the fact that they're outselling Toyota means that the public still has an interest in buying their products, their non-diesel products. So if they can keep that momentum going with vehicles like the Arteon, I think they're going to be in much better shape than what people thought they would be a year ago.
We are still seeing a lot of success in the luxury car market. The market definitely seems to be kind of peaking out and maybe beginning a decline, so that may be changing in the near future. But for now, companies like Mercedes-Benz are still seeing record sales. Sales are still increasing, and markets are still very, very strong for them. So we're seeing more and more luxurious models. In fact, we'll see a very, very luxurious large SUV from Mercedes-Benz displayed here, the Landaulet. A very large, big, beautiful version of their Landauwagen, their big, luxurious car. We'll be seeing that here. So we'll be seeing more luxurious cars here than we have in the past. And again, the market's looking strong for now, but there's definitely indications that may be changing very near.